Hello, I welcome you to my channel. Today we are in the heart of Inner Mongolia, where the vast grasslands meet the sky, lies Zhenglanqi, a land steeped in tradition and natural bounty. Here, at Zhenglanqi Meat Shop, bring you the finest frozen meats, preserved with care to honor the flavors of our homeland. For generations, Mongolian herders have raised livestock in harmony with nature. They partner directly with local farmers to source premium beef, lamb, and specialty meats, frozen at peak freshness to lock in nutrients and taste. Whether succulent beef for hotpot or tender lamb for traditional Mongolian dishes, every cut tells a story of quality and tradition. All products are preserved at peak freshness in glass front freezers, visible without opening the door. Their beef is sourced from Hanshandok Shadi cattle, locally known as Shadi Yoda cattle, the district's cherished term for premium quality meat. A modern-style frozen meat shop in Zhenglanqi that breaks away from traditional shops' customer-friendly experience, Zhenglanqi's finest meats, where tradition meets modern quality. Taste the legacy, served fresh.